All right, the aftermath of our storm out here. Got the branches off of the roof there. Neighbors got most of their branches out of the driveway. My evergreen tree is reduced to a stick with hair. They lost a good portion of their sycamore. And this is the pathetic part here. Our shade of the Bradford pears, gone. Absolutely destroyed. Hardly anything left there. These piles are just pretty much all that remain of those branches. It was just a bad day. And imagine ice did that to branches. Incredible.